Everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to talk next PYQ of group theory, which is asked in GATE 2020. So our question is, the number of elements of order 3 in the symmetric group S6 is, and these all are the options. We know 3 order element in S6 of the type is of type ABC or ABC, D, E, F. These two type of elements of order 3 in S6 exist. So how many elements of this type are there in S6? We have to find. First we find the order of ABC type. That is 6 factorial upon into 3 into 1 into 3 factorial. This is how, because this type of elements are type 1 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This type of elements of order 3 are present in S6. This is 3 into 1 cube into 3 factorial. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 2. That is this cut this, there is 2. That is 5 for the 20 and 20, that is 40. 40 element of this type are present in S6, and now we will find this type of element in S6. How many this type of element? A, B, C, D, E, F. That is 3 plus 3 type of element, which is equals to 6 factorial upon 3 square into 2 factorial. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 upon 9 into 2. That is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 and 2 2. That is 5 8 is 40 element. So 40 of this type and 40 element of this type. So order of A plus D plus A, B, C and D, E, F. So total 40 plus 40, that is equals to 80. So total 80 element of 3 order are there in S6. So our option C is correct. So the number of element of order 3 in symmetric group S6 is 80. So this all are the solution. So if you like this video, then press the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.